Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, I'm pretty sure you might have heard stories like this investor turned $100 to $500,000 or that person turned a few $1,000s to millions of dollars and so on. Guys, now usually what you'll do, if you want to buy Bitcoin, altcoins, meme coins or any coin, first you'll create account on any exchange. You'll deposit money, convert that money into USDT and then you'll buy your favorite cryptocurrency, right? Guys, the problem here is by the time that coin gets listed on any exchange, it would have already given like 100x, 500x, or even 1000x in returns. And when that coin gets listed on any exchange, it would hardly give you like 10x, 20x, 50x. If you're lucky, 100x. That's it. So if you want to make maximum returns, then you should buy that coin before that coin gets listed on any exchange. But the question is where to find and how to buy that coin at its early stages. Guys, before it was difficult. Obviously, for crypto people, it's easy only. For new people and for beginners, it was an headache. Guys, for beginners, just converting their INR into USDT itself is a huge task. So forget about finding and investing on new potential coins. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna clearly show you by using Indian rupees. Okay, by using Indian rupees, how to buy, how to sell, and how to trade on 100x to 1000x potential coin even before that coin gets listed on any exchange. Guys, there's no need to do P2P. There's no need to convert your currency into anything. There's no need to copy the address, go to some wallet and swap. Guys, there's hardly two steps. Just deposit money from your bank account, and the second step is go and buy your favorite new cryptocurrency. That's it. It's that simple. Okay, guys. Now, before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu, and you're watching Techno. Okay, guys. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Guys, before we start, I just wanna let you know that these type of new coins which hasn't been listed on any exchange carries huge risk. You can either make 1000x in returns or your investment could also become zero. So guys, please do your proper research and please analyze the risk, okay, which is attached to these new coins. Okay guys, now this is my CoinDCX account here. Now, why am I showing you CoinDCX Exchange? Keep watching, okay? I'll tell you why. Now, down below you have Home, Market, Web3, Futures and Portfolio option, right? Click on portfolio. Now this is my CoinDCX portfolio, and here in this portfolio I've purchased a little bit of Ethereum, Solana and a little bit of USDC coin. Now here in the middle there's an option called Web3. So click on this option. Guys, this Web3 option within this CoinDCX exchange is a unique feature that almost no exchanges has. Guys, on this CoinDCX Web3 platform, you can buy whichever new altcoin, meme coins or shit coins, okay? If any new coin comes into the market, you'll find it here. You'll find more than 50,000 coins and tokens on this Web3 platform. Now, how cool is that? Now, down below, you have four options. To CoinDCX, trade, points and wallet. So click on wallet option. Here you can see that on my wallet, I have zero balance. Guys, even though I have around 6.5 lakh rupees in my CoinDCX portfolio, on my Web3 wallet, it's zero. Guys, initially I showed you that I bought Ethereum, Solana and USDC on my CoinDCX portfolio, right? So I'm going to import those coins here. So to do that, click on this add funds option. I'm going to first import Ethereum. So click on Ethereum. Now here under this Ethereum amount, I'll select 25%. I have around 17,000 rupees worth of Ethereum something on my CoinDCX portfolio, right? So I'll just transfer 25%. Now swipe this to confirm. Okay, this transaction is in process now. And they have mentioned it usually takes around 2 to 5 minutes time, okay? But usually it will get completed within 15 to 30 seconds. So once your transaction gets completed, your Ethereum will show here. Yes guys, here you can see that I have 4,400 rupees worth of Ethereum in my wallet now. Now again I'll click on add funds and I'll deposit Solana. Click on add funds, click on Solana, enter how much Solana you wanna import and swipe this to confirm. I'll again click on add funds, USDC, enter how much USDC you wanna import and swipe this to confirm. Yes guys, I've imported Solana USDC and I've also imported a little bit of BNB. Guys, it's not necessary that you should have all these coins in your portfolio. I've added 4 coins in this wallet just to explain you guys. Now the reason here is on this Web3 platform, you have to give crypto to get another crypto. On CoinDCX, you will deposit INR, and with that INR, you will buy any crypto of your choice, right? But here you should swap, like you should give one crypto to get another crypto. Now assume that I have Solana here on my wallet, right? So by using this Solana, I can buy any new coin which is on that same blockchain. So it's direct coin to coin, blockchain to blockchain. I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell. Okay, now click on this trade option. Here you'll have all these categories, or you can simply click on this option and it will display all the categories just like this. So here you can select whichever you want. I'll click on AI. Alright, here under AI, it will display all the coins. And in case if the coin which you're searching, if it's not available here, then you can manually search it up. Okay, now I'll select one random coin. Chain GPT. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you'll find all the token statistics regarding that coin, like market cap, pool liquidity, circulating supply, total amount of investors who have invested on that coin, and it will also show you like how much risk that coin possesses. Guys, literally, you'll find all the details regarding that particular coin. Okay, which will really help beginners. Okay, now to buy this coin, click on buy. So here you're buying CGPT, right? And you'll pay with for that you should select this option called select token. Here you can either select USDC, BNB, or USDT. I have only USDC and BNB in my wallet, right? So I'll go with BNB. Again, tap on BNB chain. Okay, now here you should enter like how much percentage of BNB you're willing to exchange for CGPT coin. I'll buy for 50%. Now, if you look carefully, you can see that there's price difference. Here it's showing 455 rupees worth of BNB, but down below it's asking you to pay 474 rupees worth. So why is this? Now, if you tap here, it will show like why they're charging 20 rupees extra. So the platform fee is just 2.3 rupees, but the network fee is 21 rupees. Guys, this 21 rupees is the network fee, also known as gas fees. Okay, it's not charged by CoinDCX, and this gas fees will differ depending upon which blockchain you're using for transaction. Now swipe this to confirm. Yes, guys, my order has been placed here. It will usually get completed within 30 seconds time, but sometimes it may take up to 2 to 5 minutes time. Yeah, guys, here you can see that I got chain GPT coin on my wallet now. It hardly took like 30 seconds. That's it. Okay, now I'll be buying one more coin and I'll show you. Come on to the trade section. This time I'll go with meme category. Okay, I'll select this Sigma coin. Guys, please keep in mind that I'm buying these coins like just to show you guys. That's it. Okay, these are all shit coins, and before you buy any coin, please do your proper research. Okay, now click on buy. Under token, I'll select Solana. Again, tap on Solana chain. Here, enter how much you wanna buy. I'll go with 50% and swipe this to confirm. Yes, guys, Sigma coin has been added to my wallet. Guys, it's that simple. Guys, I'll give you one more example. Come on to the trade section. I'll buy this Daddy Tate coin. Guys, remember these are all shit coins. Okay, I'm just showing you like how to buy. That's it. Here I'll buy this coin using USDC. Now, if you click on USDC, it's showing two options: USDC on base and USDC on Solana. I'll select the first option, USDC on base. Swipe to buy. Yes, done. I have Daddy Tate on my wallet now. Okay, guys, now you all know how to buy, right? But what about selling? How to sell these coins? Now, assume that you wanna sell any coin. Simply click on that coin, click on sell. Here you're selling this token, right? And under this get option, you should select like to which crypto you wanna swap. To select crypto, I'll click on select token. I'll select Ethereum. Here enter like how much percentage of this meme coin you wanna sell, and down below swap to sell. That's it, and your meme coin will get swapped to Ethereum. Okay, now I have this Ethereum on my wallet here, right? So how to transfer this to my CoinDCX account? To do that, click on this remove funds option. Here select which coin you wanna transfer. I'll select Ethereum. enter the Ethereum amount you wanna transfer, and swipe this to confirm. Yes guys, my Ethereum got detected here on my Web3 wallet, and now it's been transferred to my CoinDCX account. Guys, down below, here you have an option called to CoinDCX. So if you click on this option, it will take you back to the CoinDCX account. Now the Ethereum which I transferred there on my Web3 wallet, it will now be displayed here on my CoinDCX portfolio. From here you can sell that and directly withdraw INR to your bank account. And guys, in case if you don't have an account on CoinDCX Exchange, then I'm gonna leave the link in the description of this video. So click on that link and create your account. And guys, if you want to know like how to deposit money from your bank account to CoinDCX Exchange, I've already made several videos on this on my channel. I'll also leave those links in the description of this video. So do check out. Okay guys, now if you find this video useful, then please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.